Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to segment subscriber on Mailerlite. So it's really simple and easy. Just go to Mailerlite and then just log into your account. Just click on subscribers here at the left side. Now from here, just click on segments at the top here. If you don't have a segment yet, just click on segment, then add your segment name, whatever it is. Now just click on create. From here, you can just choose your filter, your operator based on drop downs, and you can also add conditions here, set of conditions. And then once, as for the columns as well, you can add more columns, or let's say you are done editing all of the details that you want in your segment. After that, you are done. So in order to check your segment, so just click on segments here at the top. As you can see, let's go to subscribers and segments just to make sure. Refresh. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to segment subscribers on Mailerlite. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.